Introducing to you guys Project Jeepney. Why is it called Jeepney? Because as you can see over here, it's actually patterned after the Jeep Wrangler. So this is the 2019 Suzuki Jimny, top of the line. I don't get to drive this because he doesn't let me drive it. Let me call my dad, who is actually the one who's using this car. He's been modifying this car and I actually don't know everything that's done to it. So let me call him.
What? Why don't show my shorts?
Why?
I don't know.
What? Kita pa nga yung Crocs mo eh. The viewers are gonna judge your Crocs.
Nakalabas ko, no? Outdoor.
So obviously the Jimny is not stock. So what have you done to it?
What I've done? Lots of things. We added some IPF fog lights, JDM grill. We have the angry face garnish from CSL Japan.
Okay.
Fog lamps are
Retrofit.
retrofitted.
Shout out to Tots for doing such an amazing job sa retrofit.
Fogs are even brighter than the LED headlights. It's a Jeep-inspired wrap. They have the Mini G, and then they have the Little
Okay
D.
niyan. Oh.
Yeah,
Little D.
yeah.
Little
Little
D.
Defender.
Okay. Good thing you didn't choose the Little D. The front runner roof rack. Oh, this is not stock too.
Rain guard by Peterberg.
Ultra slim. You can't even see it from the side. It's for
Different from the ones in the market. This one is what you call the keep-it type, not the ones that you stick in your door.
what is this?
Side molding to prevent dings from other cars. This is the only
Yan
one
lang
in
yung
the
meron.
Philippines.
Cool. Check plate. Very nice. This is not stock. Yeah. The exhaust is obviously stock. It's quiet. Oh, look at that. Look at the taillight. Whoa. Okay. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's the hazards. Signal left and signal right. So nasa interior tayo, sakto. This is not stock.
Jimny style. Maraming knockoffs from made in China.
I don't like this red thing. Baduy.
Because it matches this one.
Eh, kahit na. What? This is the top of the line variant, so the screen is pretty big. So this is an extra cubby hole. Trim is also not stock. The floor mat is not stock. Same material with your Crocs. It's Hippotech mat.
Yeah, Hippotech mat.
Why don't you have A-pillars, by the way?
They're being retrofitted with some...
You can't tell the vlog.
Some-
Next time na yun. These are not stock.
Wala kasing armrest and Jimny, so yung kamay mo medyo lalaglag ng ganyan.
So this is a phone mount, and it's actually dedicated for the Jimny because it's mounted directly on this, what do you call it, handlebar. Oh, this is not stock.
This is a sunshade. It's magnetic.
Cusco C-pillar bar because racing is life. Why is this like some JDM carpet?
Yes.
For the JDM boys, this one's for you. JDM carpets.
This one prevents all your stuff from moving around.
Oh yeah, it's rubberized. So
Engine compartment.
this is odd. Jimny 1.5 liter. Less than 120 horsepower, but there's been something done to the engine. What? My dad is crazy. Wow, automatic. My Jazz doesn't even have this. Ano ba yan? Grady. CF pa. On a Jimny. Cusco strut bar.
Higher pressure.
1.2 bar rad cap.
Filter is aftermarket also.
There's one more mod na hindi natin pinapakita.
Hindi pa natin kinakabit.
Oo nga. And as you can see, may ano na dyan eh. There's a reason why isa lang yung box. Because the other 4 are here. 5 siya actually. It's a 5 wheels. BFG 21570. 3, 2, 1, go.
Tara!
Okay. It's actually the VOLK Racing TE37X. Specifically the TE37X UL 16 by 5.5 offset 20 5 by 139. Specifically made for the Jimny. It's pretty cute kasi itong box na to, it's actually one box. But if you open it, it's actually for 2 wheels. And there you go. That's a 5th wheel. So why did we get a 5th wheel? Well, we just got it para lang mag-flex. When you're driving and the people behind you see that you have a TE37X. Ultimate flex. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's get these mounted on side-by-side comparison. The new wheels and tires are actually taller by, I think, around 1 inch. Oh, these wheels are so light. I mean, it's super light compared to the new ones. One thing important to note, guys, is that tires are actually heavier than wheels. It doesn't matter if you have lightweight wheels, but if your tires are super heavy, then your lightweight wheels are useless. That's of course when you're racing. But if you're going off-road, I don't know if that matters. So original race, hex, nut, and lock set. Yeah. Okay, so my dad is saying napasok siya. Is it really pasok?
Dito mo tingnan. Ito yung fender, oh. So, ang fender, dito ang bagsak ng fender.
Okay, so we're gonna be putting the 25mm spacer to make the fitment look better. So this is the Mr. Offset box. When you open it, this is what's inside. Let's put these on.
Made in Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan. Now, I'm not actually a fan of Taiwan stuff, but if they work, pwede na, pwede na.
They should be better than
nako. We have Chinese viewers here. We shouldn't say that. Peace out, guys. No to fake parts. That's the correct thing to say. With 25mm spacers, the tires now flush with the fender. Fitment. I keep saying fitment. This isn't even a stance car or what, but you know, the offset is perfect with a 25mm spacer. The tires look really good. So what can you say?
Good job.
The offset is actually wrong. We should have gotten something more aggressive so that we wouldn't have to resort to using a spacer.
Wala siyang ibang offset.
Oh, okay. There's no other choice for the offset. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because this side is pretty much gonna look the same as the other side. If you guys want to see the whole 4 wheels attached to the car with the tires, follow me on Instagram. That's Franz Patrick without the vowels, FRNZPTRCK. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. Shout out, by the way, to Alfie of DZ Racing. Thank you so much for the parts that you've been supplying to us. Oh yeah, the Moto Testo for the front runner rack. I guess yun lang. So if you guys want a shout out, you know, you can always sponsor something for this car, you know. Just kidding. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys next time. I got something new for this car. It's performance related. Performance. See ya.